it's Elianabbyyy, and I'm back in it again with this.
I bet he feel me. That loses me a real L, cause I'm hella pretty. Ha! And all these other bitches lame. See them hoes in person, they get laugh.
I'm gonna be showing you guys my curly hair routine. Honestly, my curly hair routine is really straightforward. I go ahead and put this coconut curl styling milk in my hair. It's by Organics. So I use this first. So I use like this much in my hair, and I put it throughout my whole head. Like every single bit of it needs to go inside my hair. Coconut curl styling milk from Organic. So the second product I will be using is the Heyyyy Moisture Curls and Style Milk, and this one's kind of the same thing as this one. It's just the difference is this one's way more thicker. So I'm gonna be going in with this much of product and just really just go in with it. So now I'm gonna go in with my third product. My third product is the Heyyyy Moisture Curl Mousse. I like this because I like my hair to look like the wet effect. And this is if you want the wet effect with curls, this is what you need. This is what you need. I do like 7 pumps. That was not no 7 pumps, but it was, I don't know how much pumps it was, but I'm gonna split my hair right here and just like put it on this side and just go on this side. But now, so I won't have frizz like this, I'll show you what I do. So I get some water and I just I get water and I just even it out. Put a little bit more. Put a little bit more so I won't have frizz. I put it up here and just really like moisturize the top so I won't really like look curved super crazy. Let me know what videos you want me to do. Like and subscribe, like this video, share it, whatever. But yeah, bye.
Niggas finna hate cause of who we are. Well aware that I'm a stain, so I'm moving smart. Better step in your lane, you don't play a part.